Hello traders, this is the next another video by Flash Trade 1 where you can see that I'm showing our investor account 420448 Super Forex real account which we are trading since November 2019. The 17 months are already completed on this account and this is the 18th month running on this account. The investor password of this account is Flash Trade 1, everything in small. And in this video we are going to see the total profit which is made on the account, which you can see that here the trade was placed in Euro USD at price 1.2050 and this trade is been placed using our multiple in one trend indicator and our support demand indicator. So based on this two indicators we took the entry at 1.2050, you can match it, and we close it at 1.2030 when this indicator shown the buy indication at the same price. So in this way the entry was taken in Euro USD from strong resistance level and we booked the profit of $252 onto this account. Here you can see that still the trade is open in Euro USD where loss is going on of $533. Soon we are going to close it. Just keep watching the account at how we are going to digest this loss into profit. There are also some trades open in USD, CHF, GBP, USD, CAD and OD with a 0.01 lot size. Keep checking this account, and here you can see that the previous update of this account which we made on our Flash Trade 1 Major News Trading Telegram channel on 1st of May, where during that time the total profit on the account was $55,300. As of now the profit on the account has been increased to $55,600. So from 1st May to 4th May, the time period is 3 days in which we made the profit of $300. Total profit on the account is $55,600 in 17 months. So per month profit on this account is 32 to 35%. Trading here has been done precisely using our two indicators only. So how to get this indicator, you can ask our executive. Either you can be part of our mirror trading service where we'll be trading based on this indicator, or you can take this indicator on rent and do the trading by yourself based on the indication shown by both of this indicator. For any other queries you can contact our Telegram or WhatsApp executive, they will guide you further. Goodbye, take care and have a happy trading.